Number one, Giriraj very interestingly said after listening to the press conference held by your leaders, it looks like Congress is in a hurry to form a BJP government. And secondly, that many of your MLAs are still already in touch with them and they do not want to sit in opposition for next 5 years.
First of all, let me tell my friend Giriraj that the Congress is not in a hurry to form a BJP government, just like the BJP in 2017 was in a hurry to form a Congress government, which they did. Point number two, the inability of the BJP legislature party having 20 MLAs, not an absolute majority, to sit down, convene a meeting of the legislature party, elect its leader and stake a claim, I think has got a number of reasons which my colleague Derek has, I think, just enumerated some of them. All these issues are in the public domain. What Mr. Babush Mosarat has said, how he had to fight an unofficial BJP candidate, what probably Vishwajit has said, and so on. All is not well. I think that's very clear. Mr. Sudhin Dawlikar offering to support the government. The other side, quite a big number of BJP MLAs and their party workers saying no. The unofficial word is that the MGP will still be a part of the government with an eye on future elections. There is no clarity. So what I would like to make one point, once the elections are over and the governor's role comes into play constitutionally, the governor has to act proactively and he has to invite all the leaders of all the parties that have been elected and explore the possibility of a government formation if there is no word from the leader of the party that is the single largest party, because obviously there is no automatic staking the claim because there is no absolute majority in the government in the assembly election results. But the government, I think the governor has fallen short of performing his duty at a very crucial juncture as incumbent on him through the constitutional right and duty that he needs to perform, of exploring the possibility of a government formation in the absence of, because sequentially and sequentially, once elections are over, the governor needs to appoint a chief minister that goes to stake a claim to form the government. And further to that, just a moment, further to that, in case he doesn't enjoy a clear majority, give him an opportunity to prove that majority on the floor of the House. That's not happening. And there is no word whether it's 10 days or it's going to be 20 days or it's going to be 1 month or it's going to be 3 months.